morning student. Today in this video I am going to explain about the types or classification of the resource. Dear student, there are four type of resource mentioned in our book, in our syllabus. The first is resource on the basis of origin. There are two type of resource which are based on the origin. The first type of resource, biotic resource, and the second type of resource is abiotic resource. Biotic resources are those resources which we get from the biosphere, or we can say that this type of resource, living resource. Those type of resource which are living, they comes under the biotic resource. Human, wild animals are example. Abiotic resources are those resources which comes under non-living. Rock, minerals, these are the example of abiotic resource. So we, on the basis of origin, we can define the resource, two type, biotic and the abiotic. Second type is on the basis of exhaustibility. On the basis of exhaustibility means on the basis of destroyness. Those resources which destroy according to time and which we can get renew, and those resources which destroy according to time and which we cannot recreate. So on the basis of exhaustibility, there are two type of resource, renewable resource and the non-renewable resource. First, renewable resource. Renewable resources are those resources which we can recreate, regenerate, rework, reproduce, recycle. All are the example of renewable resources. Water, solar, wind, all are the example of this category. And the second one is non-renewable resource. Non-renewable resources are those resources which we cannot recreate, regenerate, rework, reproduce, recycle, comes under this category. They are known as a non-renewable resource. Fossil fuel, one of the best example of this non-renewable resource. On the basis of ownership, there are third types of resource. On the basis of ownership, we can define resource again four types. First, individual resource. Dear student, individual resource or private resource are same. Individual resource means those resources which are related, which are connected, a particular person, a particular family comes under this category, individual resource. For example, this house is mine, this car is mine, and for you this bag is mine, this book is mine. So these are the some basic example of the private resource or individual resource. It means to say those resources which are just related to a particular person or a particular family. Example. Okay. The second thing is community resource. Community resources are those resources which are related to a particular community. Those kind of resource which are related to a particular community. For example, in our society, there are many type of community, and every community has some own resource. For example, for community park center, community picnic spots, particular restaurant which belong to a particular community, Dharamsala, for example, Jain Dharamsala, Yadav Dharamsala. These are the one of the example which explain about the community resource. Burials, everyone know burials ground. So these are the some basic example of the community resource. So community resources are those resources which are related to a particular community, comes under this category. And the fourth one is the national resources. Dear student, actually, if I am saying as a technical, all the resources are property of a nation. There are no any kind of resource which can comes under individual or private resource, because basically these all the resources are related to a nation, and a nation can take this type of resource whenever they require for the welfare of the country or welfare of the society. So technically all the resources are the part of national resource. For example, particular farm, which is the example of private property or individual property, and if the government need that farm, that field, the government can take that farm, that field for the welfare of a nation, for the welfare of a society. So all these resources which comes under in a political boundary of a nation. Actually, there are two type of boundary I am saying about this. Political boundary, according to border we can define, and second one is the oceanic. So according to oceanic boundary and the political boundary, in these resources are example of nation resource. If I am saying about the oceanic boundary, 19.2 kilometer or 12 nautical miles, 12 nautical miles are example of national resource. So those kind of resource which comes under a boundary, political boundary and an oceanic boundary of a nation, all those kind of resource will example of a nation resource. Mines, particular any coal resources, any type of resources, these all are the example of a nation resource. And the next one is the international resource. The oceanic region beyond 200 kilometer of exclusive economic zone belong to open ocean, and no individual country utilize this without the concurrence of international institution. Dear student, those kind of resource which are not comes under a control or a boundary of a nation, these all the resource with the example of international resource, because international resource 200 kilometer oceanic beyond to 200 kilometer, and 200 kilometer range exclusive economic zone. Two type, inclusive economic zone and the exclusive economic zone. Inclusive economic zone will consider economic of a country which contribute in the GDP. Again I am saying there are two types, inclusive and exclusive. Inclusive economic zone will consider in a nation resource because they will give their contribution, they will play a role in a country GDP. And second one is the exclusive economic zone, 200 kilometer beyond the ocean. Exclusive economic zone area will consider in an international, and these international resource cannot utilize by a single country without the concurrence, without the discussion, without the debate, without the permission of international institution. International institution, WHO, UNICEF, UNESCO, ILO, International Labour Organization, IMO, International Monetary, IMF, International Monetary Fund, all are the example of international institutions. So not a single country can utilize the international resource without the permission of a country, other countries. So again I am repeating, there are the type of resource. The first type of resource origin on the basis of biotic and abiotic, biotic living, abiotic non-living. On the basis of exhaustivity, two type, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable which we can recreate, and the non-renewable which we can renew or recreate. We cannot recreate or renew. Third one, on the basis of ownership, individual or private, community resource. Third one is the national resource, and the fourth one was the international resource. In next video I will upload the next classification of resource, that are the on the basis status of development. Thank you, dear student.